everyone on X is lying to you. They are posting these incredible animated websites and claiming they did it with a single prompt. If you have tried it, you know the truth. The images are inconsistent, the animations are glitchy, and it looks nothing like the demo. The pro secret is not a better prompt, it is a pipeline. Today I am breaking down the actual workflow using Google Whisk Veo and Antigravity and build a high-end scroll animated camera site that actually works. First, I need to generate image of a camera which I will use as animation on the website. But if you try to use a standard model like Gemini or Nano Banana Pro to build this, the results are all over the place. Google solved this problem with Google Whisk. It does not need a big and detailed prompt like Nano Banana Pro because it has Gemini at backend to refine our prompts. It also uses subject, scene, and style concept to maintain character consistency, which is crucial for any project. I will start by generating the first and last frame of the animation. I will ask it to generate an image of a product photoshoot of Sony camera, also describing the lightning and shadows along with the texture of the image exactly how I want. I will now choose the image which is closest to the result I want. Then I will further prompt some improvements to get the desired result. After 3-4 prompts, I got the result I was looking for. Next, I will use the first frame and ask Whisk to generate a technical cross-section of the camera with different components of lens floating in the mid-air. At first, it's generated an image with camera chips exposed along with the lens. So I prompted it to fix it. That's how I get high quality images. Now I need to get the animation between the first frame and the last frame which I generated. For this, I will use Google Veo. It allows us to generate video from start and end frame. But video generation is expensive. That is why Google gives only 180 credits free every month. Each generation takes about 20 credits, so we get around 9 videos per month, which is sufficient for this project. To generate the video, first select the frames to video option, upload the initial and final frames which we have generated, and prompt the Veo how you want to handle the transition between the first and the last frame. Describe exactly how the lens should detach and glide forward. After 2 iterations, I had a seamless transformation. This is ready for the use, but I cannot use video to generate a scroll animation. First, I will need to convert this video into an image sequence. For this, I will use EZGIF to convert my video into image sequence. Go to video to GIF section, select to JPG. Now upload the video which we have downloaded from Veo. Set the size to the maximum quality and convert it into JPG. Download the zip file. Now extract these images and save them in a folder. This gives a folder of images which we can scrub through using code, creating that high-end Apple style scroll animation effect. Now we open that folder into Antigravity and ask it to build a hero section for a luxury camera and specifically structure it to map my image sequence to user scroll position. But to make this website, we need to give a detailed prompt. For this, I use Gemini to write a detailed prompt. You can use any other AI.
One eternity later.
And as you can see, it has created a professional looking website with premium animations. But I didn't got it in the first result. At first, the timing of the scroll animation and text revealing was off, so I had to prompt it 2 times to fix it. So that's how I make websites using AI. When I start to make websites, I struggle to visualize the website layout. So for this, I browse other people's websites like Apple's website, Google website, etc. But my personal favorite is 21st tab. It is a massive library of UI components, and the best part, it actually gives you the specific prompt which I can feed into Antigravity to recreate those UI components. It really helps a lot to make the websites beautiful. So stop chasing the one-click lie and start building the pipeline. That's how you actually get the results in 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment with what you are building next. I will see you in the next video with more ideas.